Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can upload a PDF document to Google Bard. Now this can be really useful since you can upload a PDF that might have a lot of text in, and you can basically just get it to summarize these points for you. So instead of reading this entire PDF, you'll be able to get a rough idea of what it's about in just a few bullet points. Now this isn't the only thing it's useful for. You can also ask it specific questions about certain things inside that PDF. So if there's only a certain bit of information you need to know inside of this PDF, instead of you manually reading through all of it to find the bit you need to know, you can simply input it in here, let Bard read it, and then you can ask it the questions you need to get the answers you want. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload a PDF document right now. So I'm just using this Bitcoin white paper for this example. Obviously, you can use whatever PDF you want. However, this is the only one I have to hand, so I'm going to use this. So what we want to do is just copy the link of the PDF. And once we have that copied, we just want to head back into Bard. So where it says enter a prompt down here, you can type in, give me a short summary of this PDF. And then you just want to paste in the PDF link after and just select enter, and almost immediately it will actually start to make this summary. So as you can see right there, that took maybe 3 seconds and it given us a whole summary on that entire PDF. So the speed this works at is absolutely insane. So as you can see, it's condensed this 11-page PDF paper into this, which is crazy. So it basically takes the most important points from those 11 pages and compresses it into this short summary right here. So the summary could be useful, but we might want to know some more specific info. So if we just scroll down a bit, if we come down here to, let's say we come down here to number 7 and it's talking about reclaiming disk space. Let's just copy this, including the number so it has a bit of context. And we can say, explain, I'm just going to put speech marks around this, like I'm 5. And hopefully when we do this, it will give us a really simple explanation of this as if I was a 5-year-old. And just a few seconds later, it has made it. So as you can see, it has made it and it has fully simplified this so that a 5-year-old would be able to read it and understand it. So it says, sure, imagine you have a big book of all the transactions that ever happened with Bitcoin. This book is getting very big and it's taking up a lot of space. But you don't need to keep track of every single transaction forever. Once a transaction is several blocks deep, it's unlikely that it will be reversed, so you can delete the old transactions from the book to save space. The Bitcoin blockchain works in a similar way. So this can be really useful for understanding complicated bits of information really simply. So the possibilities with this are endless. If your work requires you to work with PDFs quite a lot, this can be seriously useful. It can save you a ton of time. And you know that it's going to give you reliable answers. Since this is made by Google and it's trusted, you can know that the answers that can be given you are going to be factually correct. You don't have to worry about it giving you misinformation. So yeah, I can really see this being really useful in the workplace and various things like that. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to upload a PDF document to Google Bard. So if you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.